For those who see their vehicle as more than just a means of transport, meet On the Spot, where customization isn't just an option. It's the essence of everything we do for your vehicle's identity. Protecting your cherished ride is our priority. Introducing our wide range of ceramic coatings, engineered to defend against UV rays, chemical damage, and those dreaded light scratches. One size fits all? Not here. Whether you demand ultimate gloss with OptiCoat and IGL coatings, or seek a pragmatic choice with our Superior and Defender lines, we cater to every lifestyle. It's a matter of preservation, too. Our ceramic coatings don't just add shine, they value your investment by ensuring your vehicle stays in tip-top condition. Our personalized services are bound to turn heads and set your car apart from the crowd. Boats, RVs, planes, we lavish each with specialized treatments and techniques that respect and protect. Our auto auctions are unique themselves, operating entirely differently than our residential locations. Our technicians are certified and trained for both environments. Our local venture is now expanding nationally. We proudly extend the on-the-spot experience from Maryland to Connecticut, setting the gold standard for auto auctions. Detailing is not just our job, it's our passion. Our technicians meticulously rejuvenate your vehicle, no matter if it requires a full revival or just a touch-up. On the Spot's journey is one infused with precision, care, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Your vehicle is a testament to your personality, and we're here to offer it the personal touch it deserves. Join us on this journey, and let us give your vehicle the unique protection it needs. Subscribe to our channel for more content, and remember, with On the Spot, perfection is customizable.